you a perfect 10? You may be thinking, no, no one is. But what if I told you there's a plastic surgeon who prides himself on making every one of his patients as close to perfection as he can? Voted best Scottsdale plastic surgeon, Dr. Joseph Berardi is the founder of Berardi Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery. You've been doing this a long time. Tell us about your practice.
So I am a board-certified plastic surgeon in Scottsdale. Been here for 17 years now. And we specialize in aesthetic surgery of the breast, body, and face, and offer any types of procedure from non-invasive to surgical procedure.
Yes, I want to talk about your newest in-office BodyTite, FaceTite body contouring procedure. You have the device here. What is this procedure and why is it so popular?
So it's a great procedure because we have a significant number of patients that are what we call gap patients, where they are in the between, whether they're not quite ready for surgery but have these concerns of loose skin or extra fatty areas, and we're using essentially tissue heating to shrink up the anatomic structures under the skin and the skin itself. So this device is placed under the skin, which means it's the tiniest little access point, and this stays outside the skin, which monitors temperatures multiple times a second to make sure that it's extremely safe.
So it's so precise. You can get
Very
right
precise.
in on those trouble spots.
Correct.
We are looking at some before and afters right now of your patient Mark, and he was very pleased with his results. Let's take a listen.
My name is Mark. I came to Berardi Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery because I was concerned about my stomach fat, my belly, and Dr. Berardi suggested BodyTite procedure. It's minimally invasive and had a quick recovery. I looked into it, I decided to move forward with it. I did the procedure and it was exactly what he said it was. Super easy, the recovery was very fast, and the results are amazing. I'm super happy.
He is so happy. So who's a good candidate for this type of treatment, and what kind of results will the average patient receive?
So great candidates are it's both physical exam-wise, what they are presenting as and what their desires are. So someone that isn't quite ready for surgery, whether based on what they have for presentation in a physical exam, or this says, I just, health-wise or just personally, I don't want surgery, great patients. And there's a lot of them out there.
Are the results instant?
Results are not instant. So the downtime is very minimal, 2 to 3 days, and the results we can see are optimal results in about 4 to 6 months.
All right, so look at your camera right now. Look at her. She's an 80-year-old model. We had a chance to catch up with her before her FaceTite procedure. Here's what she had to say.
Being a model and being 80 years old, I would not trust anyone else to touch my face other than Dr. Berardi. He is awesome.
She only trusts you, Dr. Berardi. That's pretty remarkable.
She's amazing. She's a wonderful patient.
Yes, and we don't have her afters, but I know she's pleased. She looks gorgeous. All right, so I want to ask you, over 2,000 procedures you have performed, both surgical and reconstructive. Why should someone select you as their plastic surgeon?
Our practice is unique because everybody comes into this practice and treat them as an individual. We cater to their desires and we deliver the exact procedures that are going to get them the desired results. So not everybody is just pushed into one direction. It's, hey, we have all this to offer, what is best for you?
And they see you.
Correct.
And you stay with them throughout the entire process.
Correct. We get to know each other quite well.
Yes, and I told you, perfection. That is what he strives for. Thank you so much, Dr. Berardi. He has a special offer for all of you. The first 15 callers to book a BodyTite or FaceTite procedure will receive 15% off the treatment. Berardi Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery is located at 8900 East Bahia Drive, Suite 110 in Scottsdale. Call 480-389-0580 or visit theplasticsurgeon.com to